Hello there, computer people. Today I'm going to attempt to show you how to install hidamari or hidamari, whatever way you want to pronounce it. I don't know. Hidamari, I'm going to call it. Basically, it's for live wallpaper on your desktop. Um, the only thing about the live wallpaper is when it covers your screen, your icons will disappear. But if you still need to access your desktop icons, you can always go to your file explorer or your file folder, your home folder. Like so, and then go to desktop, and that'll show you all the icons that's basically on your desktop, and you can access your apps from here. So that being said, let's get to it. There's two ways to install hidamari. One way, because I didn't know what Linux distribution you're using, I'm using Zorin OS 18.1, but it runs on Ubuntu like most other Linux distributions, so it should work on Linux Mint or Kali Linux or other Ubuntu or whatever. It should work on all of them as well, I'm guessing. Right, like I was saying, there's two ways of installing it. If you're lucky enough and you've got an app store, then you can click the app store and then go to search up here and then just type in hidamari, and this is it here. You just click this and then click install. But I'm not going to do it this way, just in case you don't have an app store on your Linux. You can just do it from the website, which is here. Now, I just want to say, they've stopped doing the updates for hidamari. So I don't know how long it'll work for, but I mean, it might work for a while before it stops working, but I would just use it until it stops, basically, and then find an alternative. But it should be alright now for a while, I reckon. I used to use Komorebi, but unfortunately they stopped doing updates of that a few years ago, so I think 2019 or something, I can't remember now. But you can't install Komorebi on Linux now, or maybe you can if you're good, but I've tried and I can't seem to get it working, so this is the alternative I'm using to Komorebi. So I'll put a link to this page in the description below. So you want to click install, then there should be another thing pop up, but it seems to be no popping up for some reason. Alright. Anyway, there's another wee box that pops up. Just put a tick in the box and then click OK. And then you want to click here, like so, and click save. And just let it download, basically. I think that's it downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you can minimize this, and then you want to go to your downloads, which is in here. And this is what you just downloaded, the flat pack. So you want to right click this, and you want to go to properties, and you want to turn it into an executable file. So executable as program. Now some Linuxes are just a wee square white box that you put a tick in. If it's one of them that you've got, just put a tick in the box. Failing that, switch it on if you've got a slider like that. And that's basically it. That's it. Basically turned it into an executable. So then you want to click this, and then click install. And it'll take a couple of minutes, depending on the speed of your computer, I suppose. Like I said, on the main website here, normally when I click install, normally there's a wee box that pops up here, but it's not popped up for some reason, and you just put a tick in the wee white box and then click OK basically. It's just that it's not popping up for some reason, and then you click this to download it, like I just showed you. I'll put a link in the description below for the install page. That way you can just go straight there and install it like I showed you. It's quite simple. Right, now that you've installed the hidamari, you can close this page and go to your videos. Now, if there's no folder in here, because usually in your videos, that's where your hidamari folder goes, where you put your videos that I'm going to show you how to download in a minute. Now, if the folder hidamari is not here, just basically close this and then go to your apps, your installed apps, and look for it. Now, I've got it here, so you want to open it. It'll take a second because I'm screen recording, so it's a wee bit slower. And then just, it should say welcome to hidamari, so then just click OK. Now if you close this and go back to your video folder, there's your hidamari. And this is where you're going to put all your videos in. So let's just close that now. Let's get a video. I can close this. I found two web pages where you can get the short videos for your wallpaper. The first one is Pixels. Just make sure you pull that down and put it on videos. It should already be on videos because I'll copy the link on the video page. If you're looking for something specific, you can just type it in here and it should come up with a load of videos on whatever you typed in, whatever subject you like. Me, I like space stuff, so hence I typed in space, and this is just space videos. So just scroll down to what video you want. Let me see. Some really good ones. What's this one? We'll go for this one. So just click download, and this is on the Pixels one, and then click save, and it should save it automatically to your downloads folder. You can close this crap here, and then we'll go to the other website. Like I said, I'll put them both in the description below, and you can pick another video. Let me see, what's this one? That's shit. Some really nice ones. You can also make your own videos yourself. You just got to make sure they're no too long or they won't work. We'll go for this one, I think. So you click this. On this website, you have to click this wee arrow, pull it down. Now, you're better, if you can, you're better picking a video that's the same as your resolution. If you didn't have your resolution up here, just pick the biggest one or the one that's semi-big. I'm 2560 by 1440, so that's the same as my desktop resolution. Yours will obviously be different, probably, I'm guessing. But if you can't find your resolution up here, just pick the next biggest one, really. And click that and it should start downloading, like so. And then click save. And then once you've done that, you can minimize that. Can't remember if I said or no, but when you make a live wallpaper, like I said, it covers up your icons. So if you want your icons, you'll have to go into your main home directory and then go to desktop, and then you can click on your icons for there. Right, anyway, let's go to downloads, and this is the two that I've just downloaded. So what you want to do is you want to highlight them and right click and click copy. Now, what I normally do is I normally just copy them into a folder and put them into my backup drive, so if I ever redo my computer, I don't have to re-download them again. I've still got them there, but it's up to you if you want to back them up or no. But once you basically highlight them and right click and click copy, you want to go to your videos folder, like so, and open up your hidamari folder, and then right click and click paste. Now that's the videos there. Normally what I do as well is I normally rename them, but I'm just going to leave them there now. So once you've copied them into your hidamari folder, which is in your video folder, you can close this and go to your apps and look for hidamari. Now mine is here, so we'll open up hidamari like so, and then just click whatever one you want. So I don't know, say this one. You just click it once, right click, left click it once, and then click apply. And then set for all, I normally put it to, I've never tried this one, but normally I click set for all, and it'll take a minute for it to kick in. There we go. And that's your live wallpaper. And as you can see, like I said, your icons are gone. That's the only thing I didn't like about it, is your icons are still there. But however, like I said, if you want your icons, you can just go to here and then go to icons. So let's choose this one. Oops, is that the same one? Alright, it's the same one. It's good because you can play on your VLC player if you've got one, just to make sure you got the right one. So open up hidamari if you want to change it, and just click it and then click apply and set for all, and it should change in a minute. Like so. I'm using a Zorin OS 18.1, but it'll work, like I said, it'll work on most Linuxes, so it's actually no bad, Zorin. I just started using it not long ago. It's actually quite snappy, as you can see. So like I said, just got to put them into here. So you go to the web page, I'll show you again. Pick a video. Take that one, for example. Download it. Click save. You can minimize it. Then go to your downloads. Right click it. Copy. Go to videos. Open up your hidamari folder. Right click. Left click. Right click, sorry. Paste it in here. I'm just going to rename it. I'm going to call it Spaceship. You can close that, and then you want to go to your apps, find hidamari, open it. Click whatever one you want and click apply. Set for all. And you can close it, and there you go. So there's your so that's how to basically install live wallpaper on your Linux. So I hope this video was of use to you, and peace out. Enjoy.